Guys, today we are going to talk about bridge design pattern, and we will pick a simple example of notification service. Let's say we have a notification service that has to send different types of messages via different ways. So for example, if we have text based message, QR based message, video audio message, etc., we can send them via email, or we can Slack people, or we can use SMS. So like there could be m different ways to send a messages. Okay, and we can send n type of messages. Now one simple possibility that comes to our mind is that we can subclass. So what we'll do, for example, if we want to send a text message through Slack, we can create a Slack test class and we can extend it, or maybe implement the interface, one common interface. We can create QR code, Slack QR code. So when there are n type of messages and m type of ways to send those messages, so we can create n into m classes, which will be pretty huge. So we must have some other solution where we can reduce the number of classes that we have to create, as well as we should be able to implement this use case as neatly as possible. So one other possibility that comes to our mind is a bridge design pattern. Now, what exactly is bridge design pattern? This pattern help us to solve the problem by switching from inheritance to kind of object composition. So what this means is that you can extract one of the dimensions into a separate class hierarchy, so that original classes will kind of reference an object of the new hierarchy. So I mean, we can kind of create two different hierarchies, and because they are quite similar, we can bridge the gap between them. Uh, you might think that we kind of do something similar in adaptive design pattern as well, but that is not true. Adaptive design pattern is mostly used when we want to kind of link two different hierarchies, and we want to connect them together. And whereas when we are talking about bridge design pattern, we are thinking, okay, two similar kind of hierarchies, and we can connect them through the bridge. Well, what we can do now, we can start with the implementation of this problem. uh, Let me try to first create a, so like as we discussed, we will create two different hierarchies. So let's first create a message, or maybe let's first create a notification sender interface. So let's keep it interface and name it as notification sender. We can have a method here, send notification. Okay, sounds good. So as we discussed, there could be m ways of notification we can send. I can create an implementation. I will take only two types of implementations here for now. Let's take email notification sender and implement the method. Okay, let's implement this send notification method. We can just log this and print here sending email notification. Okay, likewise we can have a Slack notification center and just maybe sending Slack notification. Okay, uh, now as we said that we can have a message as well, so we can have an, I mean, let's try to create an abstract class here, because this class can be extended by different type of messages that we want to send. So now to connect these like messages one hierarchy, notification is other hierarchy. So what we'll do to bridge this gap, we will have a notification sender reference here, and we can set this as part of our message initialization itself. Let's have an abstract method here. Let us send message. Okay. Now let's try to implement this message class. I mean, extend this class. We have text message here, so we can use text message class, and it can extend this message class because we had an abstract method declared. So we will have to implement this send message. Uh, for now, we'll just log it sending text message, and now after sending text message, right? I mean, processing this message, we'll have to send it, right? So now we already have this reference. Okay, I have to initialize that reference as well. Okay, so whenever we create text message implementation, we need a notification center. So after sending, or after processing a message, we can just use this notification sender, and whatever, sorry, test dot notification. Okay, no, probably. Okay, this is private, that is why it is not accessible. Let's make it protected. Okay, text message. Okay, so now we have the reference of notification sender. You can just call the send notification. So in this case, if you understand, right, let's say we had this notification sender implementation of email notification center, then this message will be gone through email is okay. If we want to send through SMS or other type of notification channels, we will have to send our notification center, and just it will implicitly be called as part of this send message method. uh, so let's create one more message type, which is QR message. Okay, QR message, print QR message here, and everything remains same. Now to test it, I will quickly create a test main method here. So let's take test fresh pattern. Okay, okay, now what we will have to do, okay, so first create a notification center. So let's take email notification center for now, and let's say we want to first send a text message. So we can have text messenger, and we can pass this notification sender, and then this text message we can call the send message method here, and let's see whether it uses email channel or not. Hopefully it should hopefully it should use, and we can clearly see that it prints sending text message, and it is using an email notification. I guess that's it. That was a very simple example of bridge design pattern, and hopefully it is clear to you guys now. And I will keep on uploading videos to my channel Design and Code with Arun. My entire objective is to help you guys to understand low level design concepts, and with this I will continue uploading more videos. Yes, and the request from you guys is to please watch the video. If you have any questions, you can add your comment. I'll try to answer them, and please do not forget to like and share this video. Thanks a lot.